In our series on science and technology, today we will be discussing 3D printing. 3D printing, also known as additive manufacturing, has emerged as a groundbreaking technology. By constructing objects layer by layer from digital models, 3D printing enables the creation of complex and customized designs that were previously impractical or impossible. 3D printing involves building three-dimensional objects by sequentially depositing or solidifying material layers. The process begins with a digital design file, which is sliced into thin cross-sectional layers. These layers serve as a blueprint for the 3D printer to create the physical object by adding material one layer at a time. Different techniques, such as fused deposition modeling, FDM, stereolithography, SLA, or selective laser sintering, SLS, are employed based on the material and desired outcome. Applications. The versatility of 3D printing has led to its adoption in various industries. In healthcare, it has revolutionized patient-specific medical implants, prosthetics, and even the printing of human tissues and organs. In aerospace, 3D printing has enabled the production of lightweight and intricate components, reducing weight and fuel consumption. The automotive industry benefits from rapid prototyping and customized parts. Architects and designers employ 3D printing to create intricate models and prototypes. Additionally, it finds applications in jewelry, fashion, electronics, and consumer goods industries. Advantages. 3D printing fosters innovation by lowering barriers to entry for small businesses and startups, enabling them to bring products to market more quickly and cost-effectively. It also facilitates rapid prototyping, reducing design iterations and accelerating the product development cycle. This technology empowers creative exploration and iterative design processes. Advances in materials, including metals, composites, and biocompatible substances, will expand the range of printable objects. Additionally, the integration of 3D printing with other emerging technologies like artificial intelligence and robotics will lead to further advancements. 3D printing is poised to shape the future of manufacturing, opening up a world of possibilities for innovation, customization, and economic growth. Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel.